afternoon, everybody. So we've been stuck in the camper most of the day. Well, I did go to town and get some groceries. So while we're gone on our trip to get our stuff from Florida, Mom and Dad have food to eat. And I cleaned the camper this morning, so it's all pretty. And I started a, check this out. Let's see if you can see it. A nice roast. Potatoes and yumminess. I'm gonna turn that down actually. And it's finally stopped raining. Sorry. It finally stopped raining, so Dave and I are gonna go work on the chicken coop, and I'm gonna take my empty seed trays out to the greenhouse so I can check on all the plants out there and see how things are going, if anything's started blooming. So I'll take you guys with me. See you in a minute. Gonna have to film from over here underneath the porch because it started raining again. Dave's got him a little roof started, so I'm gonna go over there and help him out. Alright, enjoy. Well, that kind of sucked. Dave's staying out there. He thinks he's bad. He is bad. I told him to come in. It's too wet. So, what can you do? Mom and Dad are on their way. I'm not sure. I'm sure they're in Georgia somewhere. Dinner's cooking. House clean. And my husband's out there working on the chicken coop. That's how it rolls. Bebo, what do you think of this day? Not so much? Are you a pretty girl though? You are a pretty girl. Hey. I love you. Mommy loves you. I do. What you see? What you see? Nothing? Alright. Well, I just wanted to check in. I love you. Everybody, this is my dad, Marvin. Starving Marvin.
Marvelous Marvin.
Marvelous Marvin. This is my pretty mommy, Carol. They're going to guard our house and farm. Which they're actually moving to our farm. One day. When are you going to move, Dad?
When I get a chance. Soonest.
As soon as you get a chance.
Right now I can't because I'd leave everything and be gone.
And then also planting some for the grandpa.
So, what do you think of the place?
Love it.
I think it's great.
And the rabbits. The rabbits.
Yep.
Love it.
We love it.
This is your tent.
How was that drive up the mountain in the dark?
Terrible. The Smoky Mountains. And
We wore out a horn blowing that old tail light.
Yep.
So Dave and I are leaving in the morning. We're going to be going to Florida to pick up our stuff. And then we'll be officially moved to Tennessee for real.
Right.
So that'll be fun. This is Bandit. He'll be living at the farm too. Bella is not a fan.
A bandit.
of Bandit. She loves Grandpa and Grandma, though.
Especially Grandpa.
What do you think, Bandit?
You don't like? He said, what is that?
You're on YouTube, Bandit.
Look at Anna Bandit.
Pretty boy.